In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a view in Snowflake. This task is straightforward once you're familiar with the process, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to go about it. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand why you might want to clone a view. Cloning a view can be useful for creating a personal sandbox to try out new changes without affecting the original view. Or perhaps you want to maintain different versions of a view for different purposes or environments. Whatever the reason, knowing how to clone a view is a handy skill for managing your database in Snowflake. The process involves recreating the view manually by copying its definition. Let's walk through the steps together. The first thing you need to do is retrieve the definition of the view you want to clone. In Snowflake, we accomplish this using the getDDL function. This function is designed to return the data definition language statement for an existing object. Simply put, it's going to give us the SQL code that defines the current view. Here's how you do it. Connect to your Snowflake account using your preferred method. This could be the web interface, a command line interface, or any SQL client that you prefer. Once connected, you need to execute a specific SQL command. You'll want to use the select statement combined with getDDL. Be sure to modify this command to include the correct names for your schema and view. The command you will run looks like this. Select getDDL, view, schema name, view name. Let's break that down. When you see schema name.view name, you need to replace schema name with the name of the schema where your view resides, and view name with the name of the view itself. After running this command, Snowflake will display the SQL statement that consists of the entire definition of your view. It's crucial to review this output to ensure everything looks correct. Depending on your SQL client, you might now want to copy this output to a safe place, such as a text editor, where you can make further adjustments or references if needed. Now, you're ready to create the new clone. Take this definition and execute it in your Snowflake environment. When you do this, be sure to direct the output to a new view name that you desire, rather than overwriting the existing one. This will effectively create a new view with the same structure and query logic as the original. And there you have it. You've cloned your view successfully. Remember, it's always good practice to test and verify the behavior of your new view to ensure it meets your expectations. Cloning views in Snowflake can be an incredibly powerful tool, and now you have the knowledge to do it with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.